social organization mayamgi attention intina draw tawba tangai fadaba wafam amane handa khallaga akoi thamjabane akoina mayamda hangat pada karigumada asoi baran ba natra orpi yaubi ai adu mayam ngakpi gani kali aduna akoi maikai deki press ki tuda manipur gi praja khwai ki bi punama akoi bu takpi ba tabi ngambal singo punama ta ikok no laga koram jari wafam di akoi manipur assembly da akoi gi paisa mangan gi batu scam mama manipur assembly da achau ba sembam mama gi scam mama thokpa gi wafam si north eastern India 2 day North East na masi puthore masi ai madu ubada ai Manipur da lising japan humbuda mari humbuda ni to state hoibadagi na ngasi phawda adagi ai isha assembly da karing da Manipur gi scam mayam thenagre adubu suyamna sathiba scam ama ai amukta thengnadi haina ai mayam thamjaringe matam amada lising amapan marfu matoida medical department da lupa koti amaga la umdani thoiga lising umpuga Nifan something na yapcha khar mangi bagi scam ama thoke hai bi scam do assembly da puthok matam da matadugi Bharat ki kana BBC na it was broadcast by the BBC on that day most corrupt state was Bihar. It has recently been shifted to Manipur. In such way, it was broadcast. Yamtaki Sathiba Kogi. Adu Mina, Tawi, Adu Hariba, Iskam do Agogi CBI, the Sine, all Madai the Yawgami Punama book Toke. Adu Aishazu. Scam do putoro ba ikoi na halakanda attempt on my life was made on the way by unknown armed group. I'm miscreant. Kulai bai ba kambu korna ngonda life attempt to na madai again mai na to ba hoki aduna adugi mathang da adudi hari scandal di it was the scam adugi scam do hari ba scam do the medical department the name then matter was discussed in the assembly particularly live scam says city it is the scam in the assembly manunga 29 crore to 22 gi scam mama sentham mama Manipur assembly da gi akoi lokthoga akoi maduna akoi masida expenditure masida karisyan agebu nga masinjak leibada fish fit assembly da Manipur assembly da rafa crore ani lakh marfu nipan she nga masinjak leiba fish fit manual and a plan including pomdi leibada rafa crore mariga lakh marfu manga season flower plan laisar leibada rafa crore ahum drinking water ising thakna leibada rafa crore aniga lakh humdra landscaping the akhigi lupa crore amaga lakh kun sanitary item leibada lupa crore aniga lakh nifu committee function and a meeting lupa crore amaga lakh maudra refreshment lupa crore amga lakh 103 condiments lupa lakh lakh humpu ganithoi toiletries lakh ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛ 95 disposable item crore 2 lakh 10 punna crore 18 lakh 19 July gi tha sigi manungda handaki July tha sigi manungda masigi expenditure chatkiya paisa loktokiya ine adi hangasari badi leibak asigi afafata mayam punamak nahanmok aina hangasakiba medical department da lupa crore ama mangan bagi wafamdudadi assembly da bichar taweba madu bichar tawgadriba loisang do madugi manungdane aba hajik lupa crore aikogi kunga mapanga lising kunga ni thoi mangi pase crore kumapan lakh kuni thoi mangi si sinev aina khanbada masi gumba phibam si aina khangba watpana oigadra ai Bharat Brasagi assembly amatta da thongani thalti I don't think so such a scam might have been happen in any assembly in the country si amta thongane jai thajati masi Bharat ki parliament gumada thokpa yaba portion natte masi ontona akogi laibak thiga ba thogo amane ba aduna akoina ai honorable prime minister of India da honorable governor of Manipur da honorable speaker Lok Sabha da honorable union minister of parliamentary affairs da aduga loina na memorandum ma ai representation ma si thagre ai mayam da lengi ba phai dai madugi copy doi thamjigi duni Mari copy ma Manipur ki chief secretary da aduga secretary Manipur assembly da pi copy enrolled to a copy of the memorandum sent to honorable prime minister, honorable governor, honorable speaker, honorable union minister of parliamentary affairs is endorsed to the chief secretary government of Manipur, secretary Manipur legislative assembly and India to their northeast Guwahati office Basispur Secretariat Road, Guwahati. Moi dasu copy pe. Hariba copy sida aikoi na adum haire aina masi committee ama Lok Sabha na ai anum pajrake it is a humble request for constitution house committee of the Lok Sabha to inquire into the LA 7.20 crore Manipur Assembly scam reported in India 2 days notice 30 September 2025 concerning sanctioning of expenditure on fish feed, manure, plant and other items to find out and book the real culprit according to law. Koi masi chapchana aikoi gi ain gi matungina da dipina na ba aikoi gi House Committee ama sembiu lai anna hariba akogi House Committee ama sengdo isi maram di kai noibu akoi masi parliamentary system of democracy da karigubu kanda parliament da natraga assembly mangi da Simba corrupt practice. She tauragadi House Committee ama semaga. Semi House Committee do maduna thiraga. Madu thigalaga investigate tauraga. Madu ki madu jaba dandi jipi nai. British ki House of Commander Sergeant Taylor ki case ta Ako House Committee Sergeant Taylor si mai against the corrupt charge si tawani kasi ang magti Sergeant Taylor ay siya masina London Orphan Bill hai mama pass tawgani haidna akhoi haibadagi matamdugi gini lising ama mana gratuity oina lowgi ai tabadagi inquiry tawbane aduga inquiry tawro matungda akhoi masi praman si phangada mabu akhoi nahak tina sangam de to oina British ki queen na mangon chithi ama iraga mana adai mana Sir John Taylor ni masa phatre na mana speaker oi banga maro haraga ma din speaker dei loktoga no bui speaker mu khange aduga mahaku British ki House of Commons lagi mahaki member oi bagi House of Commons gi member oi bagi tantoki. It was the first in the parliamentary history of the world. Ani subada Bharat Barsha ki Lok Sabha da akhoi Mughal case hai na HD Mughal hai manu fa amana Bharat ki yana ba parliament da Bombay Bullion Association hai ba akhoi enterprise amadagi paisa khara lorga mang na parliament da madu nithina pukhatana ma ki farm du mateng pang bini na hai bagi wathok lakpadagi mai matuk da inquiry tawe in Indian Parliament aduga maku akhoi magi report to house thamaga madu house debate toro matung dagi Mughal leje house tagi tantoki. It is the first instance in the parliamentary history of India. Bharat Barsha ki yananga akhoi parliamentary history da masana ahan bani aduna akhoi haiba practice asi laibani na hojik akhoi assembly da tawri base masati assembly ai che atopa department amana tawbo ergadi assembly na inquiry tawgadabni assembly manung da tawrabani na akhoi represent toriba speaker akhoi represent toriba all those MLAs sitting in the Manipur assembly now 59 assembly are involved. Moi yawe hai man ti go ai hai budi taisal libas da moi punam ki mama ya taisal libne expenditure taisal libne aduna speaker is the head of the secretary aduga which function under the direct and the control. The report has cast a serious reflection with indelible ink on the image of all members of the house. Manipur member pura maktane specialist taikok pada lo pa koi da muk amana Manipur assembly ki MLA lo ene makta Manipur assembly to taisali bane aduga speaker amasung assembly secretary hai bisdi masidi asigi aremba magi dignity authority prestige of the house to madugi mama ikane specialist assembly ki authority dignity MLA punamaki speaker ki Manipur praja punamaki mama ikane taisan ba adugumba scam amane amas Bharat Barsha ki Lok Sabha ki speaker na House Committee ama semaga masin thina thijam to air maramdi as it was done in the British Parliament in the case of the Sir John Taylor as it was done in Indian Parliament in the year 1951 in the case of the Mughal case it was well established parliamentary tradition Bharat Barsha ki ngasi ki parliamentary tradition da nithina idana thamaba adu maram mamane maram silani aina akhoi sigi matang da go house committee ma Bharat ki Lok Sabha semo adu go masi matang da intina tigalo aina haisi aro karimu kanda madu tawbiru haina khalla tawraktraba adu gede akhoi akhona aina option gara akhoi thamme daida madudi to a team of judges of the Supreme Court of India led by sitting judge of the court Supreme Court sinaraga Supreme Court ki team mamana sitting judge amna examine to ge to ton bio or adu tawroi haraga hand over the case to a team of the judges of Manipur High Court led by Chief Justice or a sitting judge of the court. Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice natraga sitting judge amna lit tawba team amna sinabio or adu natraga the case may please be handed over to the CBI. Central Bureau of Investigations in a view, I will have. Assembly Assembly is a temple of democracy. Assembly is Ganatantra Chappa Lepak the democracy ki temple ni hai. Narendra Modi ji while mang ihan the parliament the Sangumatanda. It was June 1914. June ki tang kundra kaino parliament sang kana parliament sang ri na mana parliament ki floor marai pakta suru ga marai so kape because it is a microcosm of a nation hai Bharat ki apik pasakta mamal laur ga lai mo famne ko hai sometimes kana guma parliamentary democracy da thaja da mina sabchana ma ki assembly da marai bakal ga chali Marai kalaga sangi ada fata hodi ama aikogi madai da toksan bagi wa yadana ada maina chali aduna parliamentary form of democracy the either the parliament or assembly is masi aikogi Christian singi masi church to Muslim gi mosque to ne Sikh kinge Gurudwara dune Maitai lining jap mayam ki lining call dune adu maina sengraba segum famda sigumba prithvi da thopa scandal mayang manung gi khwaide na tamthi ba scandal ama thokra Manipur ki parliamentary system of democracy ki khwaide gi thiba khwaide gi fajadba thokdok ama Thoglakpada Maduda Akhoi Punamana Ain Tamina Natraga parliamentary system of democracy would have a me Punam Tamina Levi, Asum Banan and Lodi. It is not right to remain silent. I have Karimakanda medical scandanda Torumba me Kudimak book dogi. Sigi scams here Masida Sianeri Bapunamak Akhoi book down of Onagani and I have Jimayam Tamderi. I am the Matuina Dandi, Tigani and Hiragati. It may be the governor, or it may be the speaker, or it may be the prime minister, or it may be the honorable speaker of the Lok Sabha. Whoever it may be, they are to initiate. Speaker is supposed to initiate. Is it not correct? Magna, Wapam Je Dandi, Piva Pamadi, speaker na Harise. Aigi assembly da Manipur Praja puna mutation ba assembly puna mutation ba MLA puna mutation ba thokdo ama thoe aduna thabak lokho piyo ise is not his duty because he is the custodian of the house